Okay, everyone, so the first line of the song goes like this. Right, so it starts on 7th fret of second string and hammer on it. 10. 2 strokes on 8. 10 and slide up to it. Play this one more time. Then give 2 strokes on 7. 5. 2 strokes on 7 of third string. Then a stroke on 5 of second and hammer on 7. 7 and slide down to 8. Bring it back to 7 like this. Then again 5. And after a pause, slide up to 3. So what you're playing for this line is you can either pull it off or slide. Right, you have to play this line one more time. Then after that, okay. So give a stroke on 7th fret of second string, hammer on it. 10. 2 more strokes. 8. Slide up to 5 like this. 8, 7, 5. What you're playing is then again give a stroke on 7 and slide up, hammer on it. 12. 2 strokes on 10. Again give a stroke on 8 and slide up to 7 and 5. So what you're playing for this line is right. I hope you got that. After that, give a stroke on 7 again, or I'll show you how to play it first. This might be a little complicated, but if you practice it, you'll be able to get this down. Again, give a stroke on 7 and hammer on it. 8. Then 8 of first. 2 more strokes on 8 of first. 12. 10. Then give a stroke on 7. Slide up to 5. Then give a stroke on 7 again and slide down to 8. Bring it back to 7. Pull it on 5. You have to do this in one stroke like this. Then 8 of second. What you're playing for this line is right. I hope you got that. Then after that, next line goes like this. Again starts on 8th fret of second string. 10. 7 of first. 10 of second. 8. 7. 5. 7 of third. Then 8 of second, slide up to 5. Okay, what you're playing for this line is Okay, now for the next line. Uh, Give two strokes on fifth fret of second string, 7 of third, 5, 7, 8 of second, 7, 5 and hammer on pull up on 7, slide up to 3, give a stroke on 3. So the playing is okay. So you have to play this line one more time, but there is a slight change. I'll show you how it is played. Right. So it again starts on 8th fret of second string, 10, 7 of first, 10 of second, 8, 7, 5, 7 of third, then give a stroke on 8 of second, slide up to 7, like this. Now without giving a stroke, you have to slide down to 10, then to 7, 5, like this. This might hurt your finger a little bit, but you have to play this to add the melody. Right, so what we'll be playing is okay. Now the part after this is exactly the same. I've already explained you this part. Then again play. Right, I've already explained this part as well. So yeah guys, I guess that's it for the tutorial of Mujhe Kaise Pata Na Chala. I hope you all like the video, and for the written tabs you can refer the link in description. And yeah guys, I guess that's it. Please don't forget to drop a like for this video, and please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Right, thank you guys, thanks for watching.